Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel, School Studies. In this channel you will get daily one video related to different subjects such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science. Today we will see a video related to science subject. In that today's topic is NCERT solution for class 6 science chapter 7 getting to know plants. Before starting with the chapter, let's do the summary of the chapter. Plants are usually grouped in herbs, shrubs, trees and climbers based on their height, stems and branches. The stem bears leaves, flowers and fruits. A leaf is usually has a petiole and a lamina. The patterns of veins on the leaf is called venation. It can be reticulate or parallel. Leaves gives out water vapor through the process of transpiration. Green leaves makes their food by the process of photosynthesis using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil and the anchor plant firmly in the soil. Roots are mainly of two types, taproots and fibrous roots. Plants having leaves with reticulate venations have taproots, while plants having leaves with the parallel venations have fibrous roots. The stem conducts water from roots to the leaves and food from leaves to other parts of plant. Leaves gives out water vapor through the process of transpiration. Now let's do the exercise of the chapter. In that first question is, correct the following statements and rewrite them in your notebook. The first statement is, stem absorb water and minerals from the soil. The correct statement is, roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Next, leaves hold the plant upright. The correct statement is, roots hold the plant upright. Roots conduct water to the leaves. The correct statement is, stem conducts water to the leaves. Next, the number of sepals and petals in a flower is always equal. The right is, the number of petals and sepals in a flower is usually equal. Next, if the sepals of a flower are joined together, its petals are also joined together. The correct statement is, if the sepals of a flowers are joined together, its petals are not necessarily joined together. Next, if the petals of flowers are joined together, then the pistil is joined to the petal. The correct statement is, if the petals of the flowers are joined together, then the pistil is not necessarily joined to the petal. Question 2. You have to draw a leaf, a taproot and a flower you have studied for table 7.3 of the textbook. So this is the leaf and we have labeled the leaf also. Same way, a taproot with a labeled diagram and a flower. Now third question is, can you find a plant in your house or in your neighborhood which has a long but a weak stem? Write its name. In which category will you classify it? The answer is yes. We find a money plant in our house. It is a climber. Fourth question, what is the function of stem in a plant? So there are four main functions of stems performed. For first one is, the stem and its branches hold leaves to get maximum sunlight. It transports water from roots to different parts of the plant. It transports foods from leaves to different parts of the plants. It bears leaves, flowers and fruits. Next question, which of the following leaves have reticulate venations? The answer is tulsi and China rose. The next question is, if a plant has a fibrous root, what type of venetions are its leaves likely to have? Parallel. The next one is, if a plant has a leaves with reticulate venation, with what kind of roots will it have? The answer is taproot. Eighth one, is it possible for you to recognize the leaves without seeing them? How? The answer is, we cannot exactly recognize the leaves without seeing them. We may be able to have some idea by touching and smelling them. The next question is, write the names of the parts of a flower in a sequence from outside to inside. The names of various parts of the flower from outside to inside are sepal, petals, stamen, and pistil. Which of the following plants have you seen? Of those that you have seen, which one have flowers? Grass, maize, wheat, chili, potato, tulsi. These are the different plants which we have seen. And this is the table, name of the plants, whether seen, whether have flowers. So these are the different plants which we have seen and which have flowers too. Next, name the parts of the plant which produces its food. Name this process. Leaves produce food for the plant. This process is called photosynthesis. In which part of a flower you are likely to find the ovary? The right answer is, we find ovary in pistil. It is the lowermost part of the pistil. The next is, name two flowers, each with joint and separate sepals. So flowers with joint sepal are the Datura and Loki. Flowers with separate sepals are Gurhal and Mustard. So this was the solution of textbook exercise. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.